headers in tune. All right, for sure. That's what we're running right there. What's good, LuTube? Who is Louis 13? Back again. I am Louis, and this is my baby. Alright guys, so if you saw my last video, then you know that this video here is part 2 to the last one. And if you haven't seen that, go back and check that out. Some dope content in there, a few runs in there as well. In this one here, we have a few more runs. One against a BMW 335i and one against a 6-speed Mustang GT. Both of them are tuned. The Mustang has a few other mods as well. I believe it has long tube headers and a few other things. You hear him explain it in the intro, and he'll explain it more in the video and all that. So yeah, man, we got those runs, and we got some other runs and some other dope content in there as well. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see next. I appreciate it greatly. But we ain't gonna waste no time. Let's jump right into it. Hope you guys enjoy. After it's all done, we'll come back as usual and talk a little bit about it. All right? Pulling up already. We made it safely to Mexico, and looks like there's some people already out here, man. Damn. We got some Beamers, other type of vehicles. Let's see what's good. I think I didn't wash my car today. All right, man, let's go see what's good. We here. Sheesh. Rolling deep too. Way down the road. All the Mustangs and all that. That was you I ran on the freeway, huh? Where? Was that or someone that looks like you, bro?
One of these guys?
Yeah. One of the Stangs, dude.
Yeah. Special.
Waste no time. He ain't waste no time. That was you I ran?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, okay.
But any mods done to your car? Or?
Nah, it's stock, bro.
Oh, stock too.
Stock? I was like, yeah, that was the first time I ran one with a 10-speed.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, that shit was good.
That was the first time I ran it. Scat.
That's right. Hell yeah. We'll get in some more for sure.
Yeah.
Look at all these fucking cars, bro. Jesus. Alright, as you can see, we are out here deep as hell. But I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a minute once all the action starts, alright? The icebreaker first run. Manny's about to run the motherfucking supercharged Corvette. Joe's supercharged Corvette. Manny's 5.0.
Ryan, sprinkles are gonna go everywhere.
You guys got?
Huh?
Who you got?
Between them two?
Between them two, the supercharged vet or Manny's 5.0?
Yeah, I mean, Manny's my boy with the vet.
The supercharged?
Yeah. I think the vet.
You think the vet?
If he knows how to drive it, yeah.
Driver mode.
Yeah, I think if it was different, it would have been different if it's from a dig, but
Yeah.
because he has those small tires on it. I'm about to stand right in the middle, just let him go right by me, dude. Get that good content.
What movie was that? Too Fast and Furious?
Did they do that shit?
He's walking across
Oh
the
shit,
street and
nah.
they pass him.
Oh fuck all that.
Right.
I ain't that crazy.
even.
It look even as hell.
I think.
Oh, we almost went viral out of
That's all that matters. He cut himself.
Sheesh.
On the first one, fucking, we were going, and towards like the finish line, that caught me up.
He did?
And then on the second one, I think he spun. So I got the second
It
one.
was close as hell.
Yeah.
Again, is it stock or? Intake headers and tune. All right, for sure. That's who we running right there. Hey, 40, yeah? 40 roll?
Yeah.
All right, for sure. 40 to 150, or are we stopping when we get to that white line out there?
I've never hit this shit, bro. 40 to 130. Come on.
40 to 130. That's cool. Yeah, for sure. All right, let's get it. Ready? Yeah, for sure, run it back. Goddamn hat flew off and shit, goddamn. All right, run number 2, let's see. Goddamn hat flew off again. My hat keeps flying off. I gotta roll this window up over here. Alright, man. The Scatty done good so far, baby. That was a good one. It was close.
What's that clicking noise?
Is it clicking? Is it coming from my car?
Huh? No, it wasn't the engine. It wasn't the engine.
It was
like,
something over there, huh?
Like something like I don't know if you stepped on something like a. It wasn't the engine,
Hopefully
though,
it's
for
not
sure,
like
it
a
wasn't.
fucking... Yeah, I wonder what that is. I heard that shit too.
Yeah.
Who got the race?
Me.
You won?
Yeah, it was close though. Hopefully I didn't run over a damn nail or something.
Where's he gonna dig it at?
They're gonna dig it? Good shit, bro.
Alright, good run, bro.
Good shit, good shit, good shit. What is that? What year is it?
16.
16?
6-speed manual.
6-speed manual. Yeah, that shit was dope.
Yeah, it's just intake headers and tune.
Intake headers and
Diamond tune.
Yeah, that's right. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's still stock, dude. Fucking, yeah, that torque fucking kicks in good. Yeah, that was a dope launch.
That was a good launch.
Hell yeah. I don't know how he does that shit, bro. Like, I can't do it without spinning.
that shit either. It's those P0s, I'm telling you. I'm
Yeah.
gonna get my NATOs back.
Yeah, because I got the same shit.
You gonna do it?
Yeah. See how it goes. All right, guys. So we got a run against the BMW 335i stock with the tune. So we'll see how it goes, man. It's gonna be a 15 roll. I ain't never did a 15 roll before. He wanted to do a dig, but hell no. I tried to do a dig. a little while ago and that shit was not happening. So we're gonna do a 15 and we'll see how it goes, man. Fucked up on that one, but we'll get it again on the way back. Alright guys, so there you have it, some good clean runs. Well, clean, I don't know about clean, but some good runs. The Mustang run, that was a good clean run. The other one, obviously I messed up a little bit, but you know, I'm gonna continue to improve, continue to get better, and continue to do what I can to represent SCATPACK, the Mopar community well. Shout out to everybody in the video, man, bunch of good dudes. But yeah, man, the runs with the Mustang, super close runs, good runs. Shout out to Alpha S550 on YouTube, go give him a follow. He has some dope stuff on there. That was a real good run. I look forward to, you know, some more stuff with him in the future. The run with the BMW, also very close run when I didn't fuck up. The first one I fucked up and the road's very narrow and I spun a little because we did like a 15 roll. So I spun a little. He wanted to do a dig, but I tried a couple digs. We were supposed to get a lot of digs in, like I said in the other video, but that didn't end up happening, at least for me, because I tried to do a couple digs and I was just spinning, man. These P0s, I don't really like them too much, but they're all right. But like, as far as for digs, nah, man, it ain't happening in the 392. But you know, I'm gonna upgrade the tires eventually, and then maybe we'll be able to get some digs in. But for now, I was spinning. So we ended up doing a 15 roll, and I still spun a little. I ended up going a little off into the dirt, so I had to let off and then get back on it. That's what happened in the first run. But in the second run, I didn't get off to a good start as usual with my last couple runs. Aside from the Mustang one, that was good, clean runs right there. But, you know, I didn't get off to the best start, but it was still super, super close. I can't say who took it. I'll leave that up to you guys to decide that. I mean, it was super close, that's all I know. But all in all, dope times, man. I had a dope trip as always, and, you know, much more content to come, man. We're gonna try and get more than just one run with people. That way we could see, you know, really what it's all about. You know, we're gonna try to get at least 3 to 4. You know, I know we got to run it back with that 10-speed to really see the good comparison between the SCATPACK and the 10-speed Mustang. So we're gonna run it back with that one for sure in the future. And then obviously with the SS, we got to get a couple more runs. I want to get a few good clean runs in with a lot of people. That way we can see a good comparison and like see who really has it, and not leave it up to if it was luck or, you know, if someone got a bad start, someone didn't. We're gonna do quite a few, so that's how we're gonna do it in the future moving forward, so we could look forward to that. Other than that, that's gonna do it for this one, man. I had a good time. Shout out to everyone in the video. Like I said, much more to come. Thank you guys for checking me out. I appreciate it as always. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a like, and drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next, and we'll get it done. Who is Louis 13 checking out? Salute. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, baby.